Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to blow your minds with 10 ridiculously easy, zero investment ways to make a cool grand. That's right, $1,000. We're talking side hustles, creative schemes, and maybe even some good old-fashioned ingenuity. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 10. It's so wild, it just might make you the next internet sensation. Okay, let's be real, we've all got that one drawer, maybe it's in the kitchen, maybe it's buried under some clothes in your bedroom, but it's packed with stuff. And I'm not talking about actual trash, well, maybe a little. I'm talking about forgotten treasures, vintage toys, that old phone you swore you'd use again. It's time to turn that clutter into cash, people. We're talking eBay, Facebook Marketplace, even a good old-fashioned yard sale. One person's trash is another person's treasure, right? I once sold a broken lava lamp for like $50 because the buyer said it sparked joy. Whatever works, right? So raid those drawers, dig through the attic, and let's get selling. Do you love animals? Are you good with a leash, yos? Or maybe even better at dodging those puppy dog eyes when they want a treat? Then pet sitting might be your golden ticket. Think about it, people go on vacation. They need someone to watch their furry, scaly, or even feathered friends, and that's where you come in, the hero with the treats and the belly rubs. I once watched a cat that was obsessed with drinking water from the faucet. It was hilarious. But hey, a job's a job, and this one comes with cuddles. So, sign up for Rover, spread the word in your neighborhood, and get ready to be the most popular pet sitter on the block. Ever feel like you're the Sherlock Holmes of restaurant reviews? Well, get ready to put on your detective hat and get paid for it. Mystery shopping is a real thing, people. You get to dine out, try new products, even go to the movies, all while secretly reporting on your experience. It's like being a spy, but with better snacks. The best part? You often get free stuff or reimbursements on top of getting paid. Just try not to be too obvious when you're taking notes on your napkin. Yes, the ambience here is quite suspicious, real subtle. Chapter 4. Surveys that don't suck cash in on your opinion. Okay, we all know those spammy emails promising millions for filling out a survey are bogus. But guess what? Legitimate paid survey sites actually exist. It's not millions, but hey, a few bucks here and there for sharing your opinion. I'm in. Plus, you can finally put your expert knowledge of breakfast cereals and reality TV to good use. On a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to recommend this brand of toothpaste? It's the tough questions that really get you thinking, So, find a reputable survey site, buckle up, and get ready to share those valuable opinions with the world. Chapter 5. Airbnb adventures become a landlord, sort of. Got a spare room gathering dust? Turn it into a cash cow with Airbnb. People are always looking for unique and affordable places to stay, and your place could be the next big thing. Plus, you get to meet interesting people from all over the world. Just be prepared for some quirky requests. I once had a guest who asked if I could make them a playlist of whale noises to fall asleep to. Hey, whatever floats your boat, or in this case, helps them sleep. So spruce up that spare room, channel your inner hospitality guru, and watch the bookings roll in. Chapter 6. Freelancing Frenzy, Unleash Your Inner Expert. You know that thing you're really good at, like really good at? Maybe it's writing, graphic design, or even just knowing how to assemble IKEA furniture without losing your mind. Guess what? Someone out there will pay you for it. Freelancing is booming, and there are tons of platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where you can find gigs that match your skills. So, dust off that resume or just create a profile that highlights your cat meme expertise. Set your rates and get ready to be your own boss. Chapter 7. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Mr. Beast, you make it look so easy. And you're right. Becoming a YouTube sensation isn't exactly a walk in the park. But it's also never been easier to start creating content and sharing it with the world. Find your niche, whether it's gaming, makeup tutorials, or reviewing the latest hot sauce, and just start filming. The key is to have fun, be yourself, and don't be afraid to experiment. Who knows, you might just create the next viral video sensation. Just remember to keep it legal, and maybe avoid the whole Tide Pod challenge thing. Are you a master knitter? A painting prodigy? Can you make friendship bracelets in your sleep? Well, my friend, you've got a goldmine of money-making potential right at your fingertips. People love handmade goods, and platforms like Etsy make it easier than ever to sell your creations to the world. So whether it's quirky jewelry, personalized gifts, or even just really awesome knitted hats, Embrace your inner artisan and start crafting your way to financial freedom. Just try not to get too much glue on the furniture. Are you organized, efficient, and maybe even a little bit psychic when it comes to knowing what someone needs before they ask? Then becoming a virtual assistant might be your calling. From managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling social media and booking travel, virtual assistants are the behind-the-scenes heroes of the business world. Plus, you get to work from home in your pajamas. Just make sure you mute yourself during those important conference calls. Trust me on that one. Okay, this one might sound crazy, but hear me out. Everyone is an expert at something, right? Maybe you're a whiz at calculus, a master chef, or maybe you just have an uncanny ability to fold fitted sheets perfectly. Whatever your unique skill or passion, there are people out there who want to learn from you. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy make it easy to create and sell online courses on practically any topic. So, put on your teacher hat, channel your inner professor, and get ready to share your knowledge with the world. Who knows, you might even inspire the next generation of origami masters or competitive eaters. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed these hilarious ways to make $1,000, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, if you try any of these out, let me know how it goes in the comments below. I'm rooting for you to become the ultimate side hustle champion. And if you want more fun and creative ideas, check out this next video right here. It's full of even more ways to level up your life and maybe even make some cash along the way. Until next time, stay awesome.